Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here. As you can see today we're at $17,318 approximately, and that's great because that's a little bit of a recovery for us. As you can see, Canadian Pacific Railway is back in the positive, IBM as well. But we still have rocket companies, Airbnb, Hyliion, our new AM stock, which I don't really know much about, and Tesla is also down. Um, as you can see at $574 approximately, but it is starting to recover. So with that said, if you take a moment to go ahead and like and subscribe, that would really be awesome. With that said, have a great day. God bless.